Why Rahul Gandhi failed to get court relief in Modi defamation case. As expected, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi did not get relief in the Gujarat High Court, where he had filed an appeal to stay his conviction in the Modi surname defamation case. After hearing the arguments of both sides, the court on May 2 reserved its order and is expected to pronounce it in June after the summer vacation. Although it is said that Congress has a slew of good lawyers who can argue Rahul Gandhi's case properly in the court, none of them could save him in multiple court hearings in different courts. As a result, the Gujarat High Court bench of Justice Hemant Prachchak refused to grant any interim relief to Rahul Gandhi. The case was assigned to Justice Prachchak when another judge, Justice Geeta Gopi, had recused herself from hearing the case. Congress complains that the case against Rahul Gandhi is part of a political vendetta, as the Congress leader has been accusing Prime Minister, PM, Narendra Modi of a criminal collusion with oligarch Gautam Adani, who is facing a series of financial fraud allegations. Gujarat factor. It is alleged that in order to implicate Rahul Gandhi in a false case, the petitioner, a member of Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, had filed his complaint in Gujarat, although Rahul Gandhi had made his remarks about Modi's surname in Karnataka. It is largely believed that the courts in Gujarat cannot dare to defy Modi's diktats, as Modi was the chief minister, CM, of Gujarat. According to a report by the Wire News Service, Justice Hemant Prachchak was one of the lawyers defending former BJP minister Maya Kidnani, an accused in the 2002 Gujarat riots case. In fact, Modi was also an accused in Gujarat riots. The Wire has also reported that another judge, Robin Paul Majra, who was hearing Rahul Gandhi's appeal in the Surat, Gujarat, Sessions Court in this defamation case, was Home Minister and BJP leader Amit Shah's lawyer in the 2006 Tulsiram Prajapati fake encounter case. Amit Shah is a close associate of Modi. Congress alleges that the Surat District Court's Justice Harish Hasmukh Varma, who punished Rahul Gandhi with a 2-year sentence in March, was promoted suddenly in December 2022 before his judgment, although he was not getting promotion since 2015. Subsequently, this Judge Varma hurriedly handled Rahul Gandhi's case to convict him in the defamation case for making an innocuous statement about Modi's surname. The surreptitious involvement of all these Gujarat judges in this defamation case cannot be a mere coincidence. In his remarks, Rahul Gandhi had compared PM Modi with fugitive businessmen Nirav Modi and Lalit Modi, saying, "How come all thieves have the common surname Modi?" He made this statement in a 2019 public rally that he addressed in Karnataka. But ignoring territorial jurisdiction, a random petitioner was allowed to file his petition against Rahul Gandhi in Gujarat, where Modi was the chief minister. According to reports, the case was filed against Rahul Gandhi by Modi's party colleague Purnish Modi, who is a BJP MLA and former Gujarat minister. In his complaint, the BJP leader alleged that Rahul Gandhi defamed the entire Modi community with his remarks, although the petitioner is not directly affected by Rahul Gandhi's statement. Neither PM Modi nor any of the other Modis that Rahul Gandhi mentioned filed the petition against him. It is increasingly happening that some mercenary petitioners who are not directly involved in cases file petitions against people who need to be harassed, and surprisingly courts accept such petitions. Astonishingly, the Gujarat court convicted Rahul Gandhi to the maximum prison sentence in this case, which is 2 years, and which served as a ground to disqualify him from parliament. Although it is being projected as a court decision to disqualify Rahul Gandhi from parliament, We must understand that in all autocratic regimes that work under the garb of democratic systems, the rulers silently use complicit courts to impose their own decisions on opponents, to suppress all kinds of dissent. Similar shady court trials happened in other autocratic countries such as Russia, Belarus, and Myanmar to imprison political opponents such as Vladimir Kara-Murza and Alexei Navalny in Russia, Nobel Peace Prize winner Ales Bialyatsky in Belarus, and Nobel laureate Aung San Suu Kyi in Myanmar. Weak Rahul Gandhi. As India is also an autocratic nation, Rahul Gandhi should not be surprised if he is jailed in this defamation case or a subsequent case filed in the court through rogue petitioners and decided by pliant judges. In order to make it appear like a normal case, the court had suspended the Congress leader's prison sentence for 30 days, allowing him to apply for bail. The suspension period expired on April 22. Congress said it is an attempt by the Modi regime to terrorize Rahul Gandhi, who is questioning Modi on various issues. And it seems that as usual Rahul Gandhi, who is a weak man, is again terrorized. Now, after conviction in the defamation case, Rahul Gandhi is so terrified that he has stopped talking about Modi-Adani collusion in the financial fraud case. Earlier, after the Modi regime's hostile actions against Rahul Gandhi, he was so scared that he stopped questioning Modi and his government on issues such as Rafale corruption case, Pulwama terror attack, Gujarat riots case, Pegasus spyware scandal, and election frauds with electronic voting machines, EVMs. Now once again frightened Rahul Gandhi has gone into hibernation and is silently waiting for the next court order about his conviction in the Modi defamation case. This story has been scripted and produced by Rakesh Raman, who is a national award-winning journalist and founder of the humanitarian organization RMN Foundation. Nowadays, he is running his global news services on multiple news sites that cover topics such as politics, business, technology, entertainment, and education. Earlier, he was writing an exclusive edit page column regularly for the Financial Express, which is a daily business newspaper of the Indian Express Group. He had also been associated with the United Nations, UN, through the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, as a digital media expert to help businesses use technology for brand marketing and business development. You can check out the related links given under this video and subscribe to the RMN YouTube channel to watch more informative videos. You are also requested to donate to the RMN News Service, while the donation link is given below. Thank you.